Hey guys, Stu here again, and I'm having a crazy day because in the morning I was in the East End and now I've zipped across the city to the West End and I'm in the Junction Triangle, and we are bringing another spectacular semi to market. And this one is super cool because you know what? It's 3 gorgeous, stunning units. So you know what? You want to live in one and you want to collect a bunch of rent from the other 2, pay your mortgage. It's an amazing investment. Each apartment's been totally done. Brand new kitchens, appliances, gorgeous wood floors. They've done all the work. They dug around the basement, waterproof it, sump pump, paved a new driveway, new windows, new roof. It is an unbelievable investment, and it's a great location right in the Junction Triangle. Lots of cool little funky shops and cafes on a net, and then you just hop over DuPont and Dundas and you're in the Junction, the coolest area in the city. You're close to High Park, Bloor West, Transit, the Up Express downtown, Blackheath Drive, Stockyards. It's an unreal location, great investment. So go to stewsales.ca, see all the pictures, video tours, and videos, and give me a call.